Uh, Class, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. So in the first session, or in the previous session, we discussed the introduction to the reaction of acids with carbonates and hydrogen carbonates. So I left out an assignment. Remember that assignment of reacting vinegar and baking soda. Let me hope that you tried out that at home. So let's start with the general expression of what happens. Generally, this is what we have. Generally, acid plus carbonate, acid plus carbonate gives, this reaction yields carbon dioxide gas. It yields carbon dioxide, which is a gas, then plus a salt, and then water. So generally this is what happens. React an acid with a carbonate, you get carbon dioxide gas, then a salt, and then water. The same applies when you're dealing with a hydrogen carbonate. So acid plus hydrogen carbonate, acid plus hydrogen carbonate, giving us carbon dioxide gas, then plus salt, and then plus water. Acid plus hydrogen carbonate, this reaction yields carbon dioxide gas, then salt and water. Yes, so the products are the same. And the important thing about this reaction is that this reaction is applied during the manufacture of carbon dioxide gas. If you want to manufacture carbon dioxide gas, just react acid with a carbonate, you get your carbon dioxide gas. How do you see that you formed carbon dioxide gas? You test. The chemical test for carbon dioxide gas deals with the reaction of carbon dioxide gas with lime water or calcium hydroxide solution. When carbon dioxide gas reacts with calcium hydroxide solution or lime water will change color from colorless to milky, or from colorless to a white precipitate. So we are going to take an example, and I'm going to take an example of the common one, which we used during the previous discussion. The one dealing with vinegar and baking soda. So example, we have vinegar. I told you that vinegar consists of ethanoic acid. So vinegar has ethanoic acid. Then this vinegar, this vinegar reacting with our baking soda. So baking soda is sodium hydrogen carbonate. Sodium hydrogen carbonate. Baking soda is sodium hydrogen carbonate. Now this baking soda, when you react it with vinegar, still you'll form carbon dioxide gas, then plus a salt. So think about the salt formed when you react baking soda. Think about the salt formed when you react baking soda, which is sodium hydrogen carbonate and ethanoic acid. Think about it. What is the name of that salt? So the name of that salt is sodium ethanoate. So if you are dealing with ethanoic acid forms salts. If you remember our introduction to salts, ethanoic acid forms salts which we call as which are commonly known as ethanoids. Ethanoic acid forms ethanoids. Then sulfuric acid forms sulfates, hydrochloric acid forms chloride. So here the name of the salt is an ethanoid. So it will be sodium ethanoate. So the salt is sodium ethanoate. Then plus our water. So this is the word equation. We can also write the chemical equation. Vinegar is ethanoic acid. Ethanoic acid, the symbol of ethanoic acid is this. This is how ethanoic acid looks like. Then it's, by the way, an organic acid. Hope you remember that. Organic acid, ethanoic acid. Then plus sodium hydrogen carbonate. Sodium hydrogen carbonate, giving us carbon dioxide gas, Then plus sodium ethanoate, Sodium ethanoate looks like this. And plus H2O. So balance the equation. This is an acid, aqueous. So this is sodium hydrogen carbonate. It can be an aqueous solution or a solid. So let's use solid. Then this is a gas, and this is also aqueous, then this is also liquid. So check and see whether it's balancing. I'm having one C, then also this C, then also this. One C, this and this. So 3 carbon atoms. This side, check the other side. I'm having 1, 2, 3. So the carbon atoms are balancing. 1, 2, 3. This left hand side, then also this side. 1, 2, then 3. So here, left hand side, I'm having 3 carbon atoms. Then the other extreme end, the right, nayo 3 carbon atoms. Then you also check the hydrogens. They are 3. Then plus 1, 4. Plus also this 1, 5. Check the other side, 3 plus this 2. They are 5. Then you also look out for the oxygen atoms. These are 2. This 1, 2. Then plus this 3. Those are 5. Those are 5 oxygen atoms. Then also this side we are having 2. Then plus this 2. Then plus that. So 2 plus this 2. Then plus that 1. Those are also 5. Then you also look out for what else? Look out for sodium atoms. This side I'm having 1. And also the other side I'm having 1. So the equation is balancing. It's balancing. So we are also going to take another example. So in this first example, we've used ethanoic acid and sodium hydrogen carbonate. So in the next example, we are going to take an example of a carbonate. The common one is sodium carbonate. So here we've used sodium hydrogen carbonate. So in the next example, we are going to use sodium carbonate and then an acid, sulfuric acid. So we are going to start from there in the next session. You go. What do you want? You want me to cane you?
You're teaching me.
No, you go. I'm teaching my learners. I'm teaching them online. You go. You are going to interrupt my class.